Okay, today we're going to talk about 43 and we're going to take away 27. Now, we're going to have to really understand place value. So let's just first of all draw this out. And when you subtract, you always have to have the larger number on top. So we have our tens place and our ones place. So just as another example, I'm going to draw a line through here. We have tens and ones. And we're going to be taking this away. So I have 3 ones, 7 ones, 4 tens, and 2 tens. And we can tell, we know 4 is definitely bigger than 2, so our bigger number's on top, so we can subtract that. All right, let's draw this out. So here are my 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40. That represents 40, because that's my 4 tens. And then my 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 40 plus 3, of course, would equal 43. And here we have 2 tens, 1, 2, and how many ones? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have 20, 10, 20, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 27. Okay. So now my question says I want to subtract though 43 minus 27. Well, if I look right here, 1, 2, 3, I've only got 3 ones and I need to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I take 7 from 3? I cannot. If I had $3, I cannot give you $7 if I only have 3. So, because the number's not big enough. So up here, we have 4 tens, just rewriting this here, and 3 ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and take one of my tens and borrow it and bring it over here to help this one out. So we've got 40 people over here at this party, and I've only got 3 here. And I need more than that so I can take 7 away because I need their help. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take this 10 and bring it over here. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take that one away. When I take, instead of 4, now I have 3. Okay? And when I'm just going to bring my 3 up, and my 110 came over here. There's my 110. Now I've got 13. 1, 2, 3. That was my 3 ones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I have enough tens. 13 is definitely a bigger number than 7. Okay? So again, I took 1 10 away. That's why I marked that 4 out, and I only have 3 tens left. 1, 2, 3. And I just brought my 10 over here and added up my tens and my ones, which makes it 13. So 13 take away 7. Let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So I know 13 minus 7 is 6. Again, I have 3 tens here. So I'm going to take away 2. And I have 1 10 left. So my answer would be 16. So always remember make sure your tens place is bigger on top when you are finding the difference to an equation. And make sure if your ones is less, then you're going to have to go and borrow one of your tens or break it down to make sure you have this number bigger, which makes that 13 take away 7. You can always go and make sure that you have done this by adding back to make sure your answer is correct. So I can take like a fact family and add my bottom 2 numbers and see if I come up with 43. So I'm going to come right over here and write 27. And I'm going to add 16 back. So I know 7 plus 6 is 13. So I'm going to put my 3 down and carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And I can see that by adding from subtracting, by adding, I can go back up there and make sure my answer is correct. It's just like a fact family. So I just took my answer, added it back to make sure I have the correct answer.